welcome to channel. So this is a very important portal. So let's go. Oops! Don't forget and subscribe, like, and share. So let's go. So this is a Blackpink. Let's go. Oh my God! What is this? This is a real? Oh my God! This is a what? Blackpink house? Wow! This is so beautiful! Oh my God! And look at this! Oh, a dog! Oh my God, guys! I'm so happy! So let's go get, I don't know what I'm gonna get. Some.
Guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. Bye!
Okay, so that is, what? Hey guys, so dito naman tayo sa isa. May natago siya. At ito, and ito. So let's go.
All IDs which expired from January 2020 to present in the NCR will remain effective and can still be used for local or terminal operations as an extension of their ID's validity. All walk-in or face-to-face transactions of the PCSO Training Division shall be entertained only upon a confirmed schedule through the phone.
Okay, so that is,
All services offered by the
I'm gonna get a castle.
which is temporary to
Hindi ko alam kung ano ko ba to. Ano? At ito naman dito sa kabila.
Hello, Bastardo!
Ito na ang ano ba yung castle ko? Ay, naku. Tingnan niyo yung castle. Hindi naman ganitong castle pala, guys. Sorry. At kasunod naman nito ay bibito na tayo ng cellphone. Ano ba yung cellphone? Hindi naman yung makagana. Saan na ba to, guys? Or hindi? Yan. Oh. Ay guys, so mali pala yun guys. Ito pala guys. Sorry. Pagkatapos, bibili tayo ng ito. Yan, para siyang sakto guys, no? Castle ko. Okay lang ba guys? So i-comment lang ninyo guys. Ano na tayo ng hagdanan? Paano to? Hindi ako ng hagdanan eh. Hindi ako din mahilig ng mga hagdanan. Ano ba to?
Boys! Hello! Dali! Dali!
Patay. Oh my God.
Iwan ka na. Hey! Iwan ka na testing Bigfoot. Dali, kay D-class ka. Dali, boy, kay D-class ka. Dali. Lincoln na sa. Go siya. Dali. Isa. Siya, talapit ka balik ko. Isa.
Oh my God, bakit hindi?
Pagdali out.
Parang meron pa. Wait lang guys. Wait lang ha. Wait lang talaga guys. Sorry. Kawawa naman ninyo guys. Sorry.
Pagdali out.
Okay lang ba yan? Ganyan na lang guys. Wala namang iba.
Pagdali na.
Wait lang. Tapos na guys.
Uy, bubuy na.
Asan na ako Nasaan? Asa? Mana?
Anak, baka na.
Oh! Oh, this is so beautiful.
Dapat sa taas.
Wow! Yay!
Nakaisip.
Oh my God!
Laptop, di ko ba't ginato?
Yay! This is so beautiful! I like this.
Parang na si Karen. School life. Dali, boy. Mag-testing na pagka ato sa dali.
Did ko pat dun, ane? Ha?
Kay school. Dali, boy. Boy. Dali. Sundan ka na, Ron. Dali.
Okay.
Dali, sundan ka na, Ron.
Hi guys, so bye guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. So guys, bye. Wait lang. Wait lang.